Control center, check. Are we clear? Ready to engage or what? Did you guys calibrate the mic or what?
Calibrating.
I don't know. I think it looks just fine. Yeah. Mic check. Ready to check. I believe the color grade just fine. All right, let's initiate. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Chillin'. This is me, the most advanced channel. I was a little away, and I know a lot of you guys have been sending me messages on DM. For those of you who are new here, definitely want to press the like and subscribe button. You definitely want to check the description at the bottom. I don't want you guys to miss out a lot of stuff. Today it's, I don't want to really do the review, but I thought to do this review. Something simple came up. By the way, I have Galaxy S22 Ultra reviews coming soon for you guys. Is this word S22 Ultra? I swap from iPhone to S22 Ultra. Yo, I'm so excited. I'm so damn glad. Today we're gonna be unpacking something unusual that I don't unpack. One of my partners sent me this to do a quick review. I thought this is gonna be perfect for my woman audience. Lately we've been doing a lot of technology and a lot of this other stuff, so thought like this time we can do some woman stuff. In this channel, design this channel for men's, guys, girls, women's, everybody. So today I got this. This is brand new with the tag. All right, let's see what is inside. Introducing a Victoria's Secret very sexy thong. Give me 1 second. Victoria's Secret sizes S, M, L or extra large bombshell shine strap thong panties. This is a good stuff. I got a very good price thanks to the partnership. This is their receipt. Here it is. You guys can hear me, right? Ready to check? Yes. All right, cool. Let's do this. I don't want to smell. I hope there's no smell there. And here we go. All right, fabric, no smell, it's not being used. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Victoria's Secret very sexy thong shine strap or the diamond strap. Here it is, as you guys see. So this is an in-depth review. I want you girls to see it and gentlemen to see this, how this thing actually is. So is that a knockout? No, it's not, because look, they even give me a tag. So this is not even been used. This cost 25 bucks in California. US is 25. Basically the whole nation is 25 bucks. Original Victoria's Secret label. This one is small, which is really hard to find. All right, small and XS is kind of hard to find. So this is the small one. Here it is. And let's just do an in-depth review. So because it's been tagged, it's not been wear, now I can peacefully smell it just to give you the vibe of how this fabric smells. Let's talk about this. This is the main thing. This is legit. You cannot stretch it because this is a whole belt. Look at that. All right, it have a little cold. I can feel a little cold, but it's plastic. It's not a glass. It's one of the most liked part by many women is the floral color. Look at that. There's a little distortion on the color here. I'll tell my editing team to put a real color, but look, this is all purple and pink. This thing also can stretch. So this thing is flexible. This one, you have this little hole over here. For those of you women who wanted to see, this is have a little hole over there. So far it looks completely clean. There's nothing there. The front view, and this is from the back view. Let me just do a quick little test anyway for some of you girls. Yeah, I think in my size, I think this is something. If you're my size, then yeah, this should be fine. If you want extra small, good luck getting extra small, because you're not getting no extra small, my friend. Probably the smallest. I have more reviews coming for Victoria's Secret product. Maybe if you want a certain pink bra or pink panties review, let me know on the email, let me know on the DM. See you on TikTok. Check the description at the bottom. I have another shine strap coming that's gonna be red lipstick color, so if you want to check it at the end of the video, it will be there. If you're watching this from TikTok, please check the following. If you're watching this from Instagram on Instagram Reels, check the following. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Oh wait, guys, girls, sorry. What type of review is this? I missed out the most important thing, the serial number. Okay, the serial number is the color code, and the serial number, color code CC is 50X8. So 50 X-ray 8. If you really want this, this is the way to call it, right? This is small, $25 nationwide, and yeah, that's the thing. And the barcode is last 4 digit is 9027. I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.